To add Facebook Messenger chat to Shopify, start by going to the Shopify App Store and searching for the Facebook Messenger app. Click the Add App button to install it in your Shopify store. Once installed, click the Get Started button and you will be redirected to the Facebook login page. Log in to your Facebook account and grant the necessary permissions to connect your Facebook page to Shopify. Next, select the Facebook page you want to connect to your Shopify store. Make sure this is the same page you want to use for messaging. After selecting the page, click the Connect Page button to complete the connection. Now, go back to your Shopify store and navigate to the Facebook Messenger app. Click the Settings button and select the messaging options you want to enable, such as message templates and automated responses. You can also customize the messaging experience by setting up a greeting message that appears when a customer starts a conversation. To do this, click the Greeting Message button and enter your desired message. To add the Facebook Messenger chat to your Shopify store, navigate to the Online Store section and click the Themes button. Click the Actions button next to your current theme and select Edit Code. In the code editor, navigate to the Layout section and click the Layout Liquid file. Add the Facebook Messenger code to the file and save the changes. Now, go back to your Shopify store and refresh the page. The Facebook Messenger chat should now be visible and customers can use it to contact you directly. Remember to test the chat functionality to ensure it is working correctly. You can do this by sending a test message from your Facebook page to your Shopify store. By following these steps, you can successfully add Facebook Messenger chat to your Shopify store and provide a seamless messaging experience for your customers. This will help you to increase customer engagement and provide better support.